This world requires more of kindness, and kindness come at cost of zero. Guys, seeing the situation happening around the world really feels very bad when we see them. And to stop all this, we just need to be kind to everyone, be good to everyone, spread that positivity to each other and to everyone whom you meet in this world. And guys, kindness, humbleness, showing that empathy to others comes at price of zero, where you can do free of cost to everyone around there. And guys, if someone comes at you and if you judge them negatively, then it happens that they will smile in front of you, but when they go back, when they are alone, they will think about this. And when they think about this, it really feels very bad, and it eats them from inside. So let's stop not doing all this. Let us not judge negatively to anyone whom you meet in this world, and spread that positivity, spread that kindness, spread that empathy, show that empathetic nature. And when you do this, you have three things in your bucket. That is, you build your character, you spread happiness, and above all, you win their hearts. And what is required, guys? It's all just that we spread happiness on this planet. And all this comes at cost of zero. And we need to spread this, spread that happiness, spread kindness, be kind to each other. And whenever someone comes, don't judge them. Be kind, be sweet, be polite to them. And even in the period of you of not in the right mood, do it, and it will come in future in unexpected way. The management of life depends upon how you manage your mind, and it's really required that you need to fill our mind with all that positivity. We need to fill our mind with that kindness, that humbleness to show others. Share this kindness, be happy, stay positive, and do this. It really feels very good inside when you do it for others. So I hope you love this video, and please hit a like, please subscribe. And I keep on telling that we need to spread the positivity, because this world requires much more of this. And how you can do this? By spreading the kindness. And guys, whatever is there in your mind, please speak up. Please talk to your loved ones, your near ones, your dear ones. Tell them whatever is running in your mind. Don't hold that in your mind, and if that is happening, it will eat you from inside. Let us not that happen. Spread everything, tell everything, whatever is there in your mind, tell to your loved ones. Reveal it. Ask them the help. Seek the help. And anyone who is coming with the problem, please have that mindset of helping them, because it will always come back to you in an unexpected way in your future. I hope you loved this video, and let us spread positivity, and let us spread happiness, and be kind to each and everyone whom you meet in this world. Thank you so much, guys.